Hello and hi to everyone who are watching me right now on my channel Miss NIDHI Borana. I welcome you all over here. Today we will be doing a standard 8th poem 2.3, that is The Worm. It is written by one of the finest English literature poet, that is Thomas Gisborne. We will be doing line by line analysis of the poem. Also, we will understand the meaning and the summary of the poem. But before we head further, I just want to know y'all that you all are doing good at your home and your family is also doing good. Do let me know in the comment section below how are y'all doing. So, without wasting any further time, let's move ahead to understand what the summary of the poem Worm is. आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैम हमें पहले समरी क्यों बता रही है, एनालिसिस क्यों नहीं बता रही. उसके पीछे रीजन है स्टूडेंट्स दैट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पोएम यू नीड टू नो व्हाट दिस पोएम इज मेंट फॉर. राइट ये पोएम किसके लिए लिखी गई है वो समझने के लिए मैंने सबसे पहले आपके लिए ये समरी पोस्ट किया है. Okay, so The Worm is written by a famous poet who is named as Thomas Gisborne. In this poem, the worms played a very important role. The poet of this poem said us that we usually don't care about the insects, which is true, I guess. Sometimes, knowingly or unknowingly, we kill those tiny creatures. है ना, बहुत बार हम चलते फिरते कितनी बार टाइनी क्रिएचर्स को ऐसे ही अपने पैरों के नीचे कुचल देते हैं. Especially when we are in a hurry, we don't care on what we are stepping. Mistakenly, we might kill some insects. For this, the poet urges us not to stamp those small, neglected, and helpless creatures like worms through our uncontrolled movements. The poet also said that the Lord who created us has also created the tiny creatures. The way our Lord loves us, in the same way He loves His other creatures also. If we kill those creatures, God will surely get hurt. To show Lord's affection and the boundless love towards His creatures, He created the sun, the moon, and the stars for their comforts. So when we kill those creatures, we don't have any right to take their life as we cannot give them back their life. Correct. These creatures only get few days to live. So we should let them enjoy their lives and should give them freedom so that they can enjoy their life as the way they want to enjoy it, right? एज अ ह्यूमन हमारे पास कितनी फ्रीडम है. लास्ट 4-5 मंथ से हम लॉकडाउन में है. ऐसे लग रहा है दैट वी हैव बिन पुट इनटू द जेल, राइट. जब हमें हमारी फ्रीडम नहीं मिल रही है कितना गुस्सा आ रहा था. Similarly, thus worms should also get the freedom to go out, freedom to live, freedom to not get such kind of death, right? So उन्हें भी जीने दो. This is what the poet is giving us the message through this poem. ओके सो इस पोएम को अच्छे से लाइन बाय लाइन समझते हैं और उसका मीनिंग भी समझते हैं. ओके चलो लेट्स मूव अहेड स्टूडेंट्स. या हियर इज आवर वर्म. सो ये पोएम किसके लिए लिखी गई है स्पेशली? या इट इज फॉर द क्रीचर वर्म. ये तो आपको समझ आ ही गया होगा बाय द टाइटल ऑफ द पोएम. या दैट इज दी वर्म. स्टूडेंट्स बिफोर वी हेड विद द पोएम ना, दो चीज आपको पोएम चालू करने से पहले याद होनी चाहिए. वन इज द नेम ऑफ द पोएट एंड द अदर थिंग इज द नेम ऑफ द पोएम. सो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द पोएम स्टूडेंट्स? द नेम ऑफ द पोएम इज द वर्म. एंड व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द पोएट? द नेम ऑफ द पोएट इज Thomas Gisborne. Okay, so let's move ahead with the analysis of the poem line by line. Turn thy hasty foot aside, nor crush that helpless worm. The frame thy scornful looks deride, required a god to form. Oh my god, this poem has so beautiful and the deep lines ना. आप भी मुझसे agree करोगे जब आप इसका meaning समझोगे. So let's understand the first line. Turn thy means your. Hasty. What does the word hasty means? Yes, hasty means hurried and careless. You all can see the meanings towards your right side of the screen. Yeah, so turn thy hasty foot aside. So poet is trying to say us that please, your hasty foot means you are in a hurry and you are careless. Please take away those foot. Nor crush that helpless worm. Please don't crush that helpless worm. उस वर्म को कुचलते हुए मत जाइए. The frame thy scornful looks deride. The frame means the structure of this worm. It is very scornful. Scornful means, students, filled with hate. When you look at this worm, your eyes are completely filled with hate. It looks deride. Deride means it is expressing hatred. वो ऐसे लग रहा है कि आपको बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है उस वर्म के ऊपर. क्यों? बिकॉज ये स्ट्रक्चर, ये जो बॉडी है इस वर्म को भी तो ये क्रीचर को किसने बनाया है? हु हैज मेड दिस क्रीचर? यस, इट इज द सेम गॉड हु हैज मेड यू. So the small tiny helpless creature worm is also made by God. तो क्यों आपकी आंखों में इतना hatred है? Why do you hate this creature? Why? Who has given you the right to kill this creature? That is what the poet is trying to say through this poem. Okay, moving ahead. The common lord of all that move, for whom thy being flowed, a portion of his boundless love on that poor worm bestowed. Okay, the common lord of all that move means all the moving things which are there on the earth. Who is the common lord of them? Obviously God. God has created us, right? From whom thy being flowed. Thy means हम सब वहीं से आए हैं. The God is showering his boundless love on all of us, whether it is a tiny small creature or a human being like us. He is showering his equal love on those flowers as well, on that poor worm bestowed. Okay, what does thy being means? Your life, right? For whom thy being flowed, that means that who has given you the rights to take away your life or existence, right? This boundless love, the God is dividing this boundless love into all of us, on that poor worm bestowed, even on that poor worm. This poor worm is given us as a gift, right? Even this worm has got the life as a gift from the God, right? ये worm को ये life किसने दिया है? God ने दिया है. तो हम कौन होते हैं उस worm से उसकी life लेने के लिए? Who are we to kill this worm, right? जैसे कि एक human being को अगर आपने किसी ह्यूमन बीइंग को मारा तो ऑब्वियसली वो आप पे केस करेगा, पर वर्म को मारने के लिए मतलब यू कैन बी रूथलेस, यू कैन बी केयरलेस, क्योंकि वो आपके ऊपर केस नहीं करेगा तो क्या उसकी लाइफ मैटर नहीं करती? नो, इवन द लाइफ ऑफ वर्म मैटर्स, राइट? Moving ahead to the next stanza, that is, the sun, the moon and the stars he made to all his creatures free. है ना? ये सन, मून, स्टार्स, ये सब किसने बनाए हैं? गॉड ने बनाया है. और किसके लिए बनाया है? द सन, मून एंड स्टार्स आर मेड फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस क्रीचर्स फॉर फ्री एंड स्प्रेड्स ओवर अर्थ द ग्रासी ब्लेड. ओवर मीन्स over the earth. Okay, and yeah, so this grassy blade means this is there on complete earth for worms as well as thee. What does the thee means? Thee means you. This stars, moon and sun, everything is free on this earth. The nature is free. तो nature किसके लिए है? सबके लिए है. वो worm के लिए भी है as well as thee. Thee means you. So वो आपके लिए भी है. Let them enjoy their little day. Worms do not have a big lifespan like us. वो ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए नहीं जिंदा रहते. तो वो जितने टाइम के लिए जिंदा है, just love them. Let them enjoy their life. Let them live as they want. Their lowly bliss received. Oh, do not lightly take away the life thou canst not give. Now, what does the lowly means? Humble, simple. And what does bliss means? The joy. So, they are, simple joy received. The worms are received this life. This is a simple joy that they have. So, let them live. You have no rights to take away that life. तो यहाँ पे द पोएट हमको ये लास्ट की 2 लाइन्स जो है ना स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज माय फेवरेट लाइन. यू नो व्हाट डज द पोएट इज ट्राइंग टू से इन द लास्ट 2 लाइन्स? ही इज ट्राइंग टू से दैट डोंट टेक अवे दिस लाइफ लाइटली. आप ऐसे ही वर्म से उसकी लाइफ नहीं छीन सकते. क्यों? क्योंकि आपने उसे ये लाइफ नहीं दी है. व्हेन यू कैन नॉट गिव लाइफ टू समवन, यू हैव नो राइट्स टू टेक अवे द लाइफ फ्रॉम दैट particular creature or the human being. Okay, thou means you and canst not means cannot. So if you have not given the life to the worm or any creature or anyone on this earth, you have no right to take away the life also, right? So that is what the poet is trying to say. He has kept his heart out for the poor, tiny, unnoticed creature that is worm. I hope you understood this poem well. If you have any doubt, you can comment it in the box below, and I am always there to revert you up. Right? So do comment if you have any doubt. Also, if you love this poem, let me know in the comment section. This poem is written by Thomas Gisborne. I hope it is clear to you. Yeah. Also in the comment box, students, do let me know what is the rhyme scheme of this poem. ठीक है? तो ये आप मुझे comment section में बताएंगे कि इस poem का rhyme scheme क्या है. ठीक है? So subscribe the channel if you have yet not subscribed to it. Also like and share this poem with all your classmates so that they can revise it up before the exam. Right? And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you all soon again with the next video. Till then, Nidhi Borana here signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.